Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce crypto taxes with TurboTax step by step clearly. Open TurboTax and select the type of return you want to file. Sign into your account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Choose the Start a New Return option to begin your filing process. Select the appropriate tax year you are filing for. Navigate to the Income section of TurboTax. Look for the cryptocurrency subsection and click on it. If you've traded or sold cryptocurrencies, you will need to enter your crypto transactions here. Select the option to import your cryptocurrency transactions directly from your exchange. Log into your cryptocurrency exchange account when prompted to link it with TurboTax. Once connected, review the imported transaction data for accuracy. Manually add any transactions that may not have imported, such as crypto earned through mining or staking. Calculate your capital gains or losses for each transaction. Enter this information into the designated fields within the TurboTax interface. Make sure to take into account any applicable deductions and credits related to your crypto activities. After entering all relevant data, continue to the Deductions and Credits section. Ensure you take advantage of any deductions related to cryptocurrency trading expenses. Review your overall return and look for any warnings or errors that may need correcting. Once everything looks correct, proceed to file your return. TurboTax will guide you through the submission process. Take note of any confirmation or submission details provided by TurboTax once your return is filed. Keep records of your transactions and filed return for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.